All right, we've got the rear window set here, and so I'm just going to go over quickly how to install that one. So it's very straightforward. All you do is unhook the storage strap, pull the piece straight out like that. I like to start at the top so it hooks right on this sort of, I don't know what you'd call that, this trim piece that's right against the glass. So I take the top edge, just kind of clicks in place like that, and then I just take my hands and kind of run it down and make sure that the seal is nice to block all the light from getting in or out of the van. Once you want to take it down, we do have a little tab here at the bottom. So you just pull that tab, the whole shade comes off. You just accordion it together, reinstall the storage strap, and then we do have magnets in place along the edge, and this piece is designed to just store in place right there. So you don't have to find somewhere to put it in the van. It's always ready. Grab it and install it. So that's the rear window set.